Hi, this is Judy at farmandwife.com. In this tutorial, we're going to add a theme to your business website on your wordpress.com platform. This is good. Both of these are going to be free, and so I'm going to be building this site along with yours, just to see how one is built. So you want to go to your dashboard, and then once you're at your dashboard, you want to go to Appearance, and you want to pick Themes. Now the theme that you have loaded automatically on there, that's the default one, is perfectly fine if you don't want to mess with adding a different theme and just start building away on this 2012 one. It's perfectly fine to do that, and it's a lot of things it can do. But what I'm going to do is show you how to add a new one if you want to do that. And the best one that I'm going to say is you want to type in homepage, and this kind of gives it a search query to what you're looking for, and specifically. And so that brings up these 5 templates that you can choose from, and any of these 4 here are fine to choose from, but this one I would not use because it has the light lettering on the black background, and that's very hard to read. So I'd stay away from this one. And so any of these other ones would be fine, and I'm going to pick this one so you can preview them before you actually activate them. And when you preview them, it just tells you some other things that you can do with it, and kind of test drive it out before you actually make it active. And this is kind of what it looks like, the basic bare bones things, because we don't have any posts up, we don't have any pictures up, so this is what it's kind of the skeleton of it, what it's going to look like. And when you come down here, I'm going to diminish this, and when we already put in the static home page, because we're making a home page with the website instead of a blog. The blog is going to be part of the website. If you want to just have a blog for your business, that's fine too, but I'm just showing you a different way to do it if that's what you would like. So I like this Intuit types template, so I'm going to hit save and activate. Once you find one that you like, just hit save and activate, and plus you can always go back if it doesn't turn out the way you want to go back and do another one, and that is fine. So this one is activated, and then here you can just read every different things that it can do. You hit the custom design or the theme options, and it could tell you everything that you can change on it. And then once you change the things, you want to make sure you save. So we'll be doing that with this blog, and we'll be building some other things on here and showing you different things you can add to it. So let's see that. And then as we look at this, we see the color scheme, and I'm going to leave it to the default because we're just learning how to do the website right now to add to it. And I want to keep the sidebar on the right. Here, you click here if you want on the left. Featured post entries, I'm just going to pick 2 and just see how that looks once I have to get some posts up. That can always be changed. 1 column featured posts that are 1 column, or show normal posts in 1 column instead of default 2 columns. So we just pick one of these, and then you can always come back and change it if that's not what you were looking. So I'm going to go with this one and then hit save changes, and then go back and see what other options we have. When you hit the custom design selection here, this is just a possibility for you to do if you want to upgrade, and you have to pay for that. But we're just doing a free account here, so we're not going to be using that at all. And then when you click the mobile, it's going to give you options on what it will look like for people that are looking at your site with on their iPad or their iPhone or any other smartphone. And you could make settings for that too. Enable mobile theme, yes, and then you just hit update if you want to change anything. So we want to go back to see what this looks like. You just click on the name of your site there, and it'll come up with just the basics of what you have. We don't have any posts up or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you how to set up the theme if you want to change it from the default theme, and that's how that's done, and we'll be working on this as we go.